Question hook. Think you know your birds? Get ready to take flight on a global journey of feathered friends. Test your knowledge with this fun and challenging quiz about birds from around the world. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? B. Parrot. What is the national bird of the United States? A. Eagle. Which bird is the fastest animal on Earth? A. Peregrine falcon. What is the largest bird in the world? A. Ostrich. Which bird is known for its distinctive call that sounds like laughing? A. Kookaburra. What color is a flamingo's feathers when it is born? B. Gray. Which bird is the symbol of peace? B. Dove. What do penguins use to slide on ice? C. Belly. Which bird is known for its beautiful tail feathers that form a fan? A. Peacock. What is the only continent where penguins are not found? A. Africa.